What's up, my man? How we doing today?
I'm good.
I'm good, brother. Thanks for asking. What's your name, bro?
Sage.
Sage. And what are we doing?
Skydiving.
Skydiving. Whose idea was that?
It was mine.
It was your idea. You're the brave one, and you're here with your friend today. You ready, bro?
Yeah.
You sure? Is this your first time?
Yeah, my first time.
All right, dude. Well, I'll see you up in the sky. Anything you want to say to your family? Nothing at all? All right, bro. Peace out. I'll see you up there. Woo!
This burning fire, no more trying to keep it quiet. Time for me to know the truth. Tell me what's inside your head. I don't know if I should be scared. I'm in so deep. I just want...
Hi, Gil.
Yeah, dude! Woo!
We are safe and sound back on the ground.
All right, my man.
Stand up.
Thank you.
YOLO, brother. Yeah.
YOLO.
Sick, dude. How was that?
That was hella
What
fun.
was your favorite part, bro?
The free fall.
All right, I like it, dude. Awesome skydive, my man.